Hi, my name's Elissa Wallach,
And I'm Natalia.
and we are representing the group A2. Our topic was spine health and computer use among remote workers. Remote jobs are on the rise in America and around the world. There is no surprise based on the convenience and advancements made in technology. However, during the COVID-19 pandemic was when the remote job setting really took off. As seen on this graph, remote jobs went from nearly 6% in 2018 to almost 42% in 2020. Some employers are adhering to the work from home setting. There are several pros and cons to this. Some of the pros include better work-life balance, less greenhouse gases due to not commuting to work, more flexibility, and decreased infrastructure cost. Some of the cons include not unplugging from work, loss of human connection and collaboration, loneliness, and health impairments. Spine healthcare professionals such as chiropractors are noticing that working from home is having negative effects on spine health. Remote workers are having an increase in tension headaches, neck pain, back pain, strained muscles, and altered curvature of the spine.
Our group decided to plan a virtual event for remote workers to discuss the importance of spinal health, symptoms that remote workers could be experiencing, and tips to make working from home less straining on the back and neck. There are several steps to planning a successful event. We broke these steps into community analysis, design initiation or recruitment, implementation, maintenance, and follow-up. For community analysis, we will get a feel for our target audience, which is remote workers. We have to inform ourselves what their work from home situation is like. Initiation and recruitment will include contacting businesses and advertising our spinal health events. One of the benefits of doing a virtual event is that we can find a time that works best for everyone that is interested. By collecting emails, we will be able to clearly communicate what our goal is, as well as send out the link to the virtual events and follow up with the participants. During the maintenance step, we will offer out our contact information so the employees can follow up with us if they have questions. We also plan to follow up with a few months down the road to track progress.
Health promotion theories provide a systematic way of understanding events to better plan events that promote health and wellness. In the event we are planning, there are several health promotion theories that could be applicable. However, we believe that the health belief model fits best. This model is a theory that considers why participation levels aren't high in prevention programs. It considers people's beliefs about if they are susceptible to disease or syndromes or not, beliefs on severeness of a condition, and beliefs about effectiveness. In our event, we will define the population at risk, specify the consequences of the condition, recommend action, and explain how and when to act. By doing these things, we can try to minimize belief biases and educate on the risks that these remote workers are involved in.
Our topic is very relevant and valid in today's world. It would be easy to implement this process in our everyday life. As chiropractic students, we are in a great position to advocate for spinal health, and our target audience is large in numbers. We would also have the opportunity to collect data and improve our presentation as needed.
The biggest issue we are expecting is compliance. Asking people who already sit a lot for work to sit another 1 to 2 hours during our program may lose interest. Many people may not care to improve their spinal health or be naive to the damages that could be occurring. Remote workers do not have the proper setup for remote work, including a standing desk, a proper posture chair, or a screen lift. This may be a challenge because healthcare can be expensive, and many people may not have the income to purchase these items. We can educate many patients on how they are able to specifically take care of their spine, but if one cannot afford certain things that allow them to achieve this goal, they can only get so far. Another anticipated challenge we foresee is insurance coverage for spinal manipulation and education at a chiropractic office. Many companies offering insurance benefits do not have chiropractic visits covered, so people will have to pay out of pocket each visit, which can get expensive. Some people may not have insurance at all, so adding chiropractic care to their list of bills to pay for may not be a priority. Lastly, remote workers can be easily distracted when they have their own space and do not have the face-to-face interaction. It is possible that some people who are interested in spinal care and attend this seminar may not absorb all of the information presented to them due to distractions at home.
Our final follow-up will occur after 6 months and will be in the form of questionnaires that will be emailed to everyone that attended. Our goal of the questionnaires will be to evaluate if people have been following through with their recommended changes, as well if they have noticed any changes in symptoms or other spinal health in general. We will also be sure to have our contact information readily available for our participants so they can follow up with any concerns or questions. We hope that talking about spinal health in the first place will plant a seed in people's minds, and subconsciously they may start making changes without realizing it.
As technology continues to work its way into our work and personal life, we need to find ways to take care of our bodies while utilizing technology. Companies can make a huge impact in spine health for remote workers by tending to their employees if they are remote. Some ways that companies can help combat their contraindications include providing a standing desk, hiring an occupational chiropractor, providing insurance coverage, and educating their employees on spinal health. Creating virtual events to further educate the population will be a very efficient way to reach more people and make sure that they are kept accountable. This is a plan that can be easily implemented into real life, as it is a prominent topic presently and most of the population has access to the internet. By educating the population, we theorize that this topic will be taken seriously and they will start making the appropriate changes that will benefit their health.